No way. Guys, I think I'm losing my money. No way. No way. Yeah, it's not matter what the point. We just entered the deal. It's just it lost anyway. And a big one. Yeah, big one. Oh, no way. No, 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 no. All right, everyone. So, hey, this is Speedy. Today I'm just gonna try different strategies that a lot have been saying. I've seen these strategies on the internet. If you ask me, would you just take it? I don't know. All right. So let's just try it and give you my honest reaction. So the first strategy is actually it says when you see like a pyramid, you know, like you see how it goes, right? So what are you gonna do? You're gonna take a horizontal line, just gonna put it from the bottoms of the lowest candle like that, and you're gonna wait for the last candle to just hit that button, and if it did, you're just gonna buy because it can go down. All right, this is what the strategy have been saying. If you ask me, this is make any sense? Honestly, for me, it's not. But they said this is a strategy. Let's just try it. Yeah, let's just hit it. I know. I mean, this is even a good point because I should like have been like that, but I'm like a lot way, you know, ahead of these candles. So as they said, yeah, I'm just risking my money, honestly. Oh no, 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 no! Please, this is $100. Like I don't want to just lose it because some random strategy. No way, guys! I think I'm losing my money. No way. No way. Yeah, it's not matter what the point. We just entered the deal. It's just it lost anyway, and a big one. Yeah, big one. Oh no way. No, 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 no. So yeah. So these kind of strategies doesn't make any sense to me. It's just like a big risk. Like where is the like it's not science based, it's not like it doesn't make any sense. They said, you know what, just wait it to make like a pyramid, and if it hit the horizontal line from the lowest candle to the bottom, just gonna get and buy the opposite. If it just go the other way, you're gonna sell. Guys, like come on, we got our minds. uh we think, and I've just risked $100 from my own money to just like try it live with you, and doesn't work because all of these strategies will not work. All of these strategies are like, I don't know if you want to call it like scam, but I think it is. It's a fraud. It's not real strategies. It is what it is, right? So let's just try. I don't know, another strategy I've been heard a lot. Okay, and the strategy is um they said when you got a V shape in the market, like I don't know what does that mean, and what does that have to do with the real trading, but let's just see. So they said when you got a V shape, it's just I'm just gonna risk the last 100, honestly. The V shape like that, I gotta get like a W, like that letter, you know what I'm saying? So when it hit that button, you see, so we got the V, we got the W, uh, and then when it hit that, you're supposed to take it as this one, like what happened here. So you see, when this hit like that, we should sell, right? So we gotta wait for this candle, and then we gotta sell because it already hit the horizontal line. All right, just gonna wait for this candle to just end, whatever it goes up or down. I don't care. I'm just gonna follow the strategy as it says. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, that's good. That's good. Well, yeah. So the strategy say we get a sell from that point. You know, we got the V shape, we got the W, and then this one, it was, you know, red candle. So we got a sell, and we're gonna see. And I'm risking another $100 for you guys. Just prove to you that you've seen a lot of strategies and you've been trying it, but it's not working with you because it's not science based. It's just someone trying to convince you with a strategy. That's why I don't follow these strategies. Maybe it will work, maybe not. I don't know. You just see. Maybe it will just go up all the way down in the last seconds. And I guess this is what will happen. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank God that this is one. So it won. Doesn't mean it's not bad. Doesn't mean it's just good. But how are we gonna just wait for a V shape and then the W? This is like so hard. It's insane. But you know what? Let me just show you one of the real strategies. All right, and instead of using like a line, you know, the scam strategies, we're gonna just use the CCI, the Community Channel Index. This is a momentum indicator, okay, guys? So let's just let me know how it works. So you're gonna make the CCI like the period, you're gonna make it like a 35. And if you asking me how this is working, you see this is like the yellow line. So when it above 100, all right, this is mean the momentum is like the overbought. Okay, so you're just gonna call, and this is mean like when it's just minus. All right, when it minus 100, this is mean you're gonna call. All right, then you're gonna ask me when I'm both like so when it like above 100 plus. So let's just wait for it. So the right age, just do it, make it 35. 20 is not that accurate. Just wait for it. Uh, and if you just want to make it like a lot way, you know, accurate, you just gotta do it with Head and Shoulders. Let me just show you that I don't have to because I make it 35. That's why. So all of that, I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna do anything. Just wait for it. All right, this is a good example. All right, we're just gonna risk $400. This is a minute. Yeah, this is basically what I'm saying. You gotta just go with a science-based, and yeah, that's it. See, and instead of just like saying any like pyramid, I don't know what does that mean, and then just go randomly and get scammed. No, do it with a science-based, and you see, I've even risked with a high because I know my shit. Let's just see any other one. Let's just, you know what, make it 30 seconds. Goes all the way up. You know what, let's just risk it this time. It's 800. Alright, let's just see any other one. Alright, and finish that one. Okay, this is a good one. Take it the opposite. Yeah, it's just I did it 30 seconds. I'm just gonna buy. Maybe the 800 guys, you know? This is a big money. But I know what I'm saying. I know the strategy. It's not like, any other shit. It's just saying, oh, the pyramids, just do it. All of these are scam. All right, look at this. That's what I'm saying. That's when you spend a lot of time in the market and you've been trying and study a lot of strategies. You're gonna end it up knowing exactly what you're doing. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like it, I've been saying all of the strategies that all of you recommended to me, and I love saying, hey, can you try that and try that? So I've been digging in the market. I've seen a lot of strategies. All of it, you know, did not work for me. Some of it worked, to be honest, but I've just give you like an examples there for the strategies that all of you just been lose and asking why. This is why. That's it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to that channel. Just let me know what do you think about the strategy and how have you been working for you. And that's it. See you guys.